So good morning students. Today we will be doing the medial side of the thigh. So you know the medial side of the thigh is also called as the adductor compartment. So we have already finished front of the thigh, and then we have done the including the muscles of the front of the thigh, femoral triangle, all this has been done. So now we will do the medial side of the thigh, and adductor canal also will be posted, and then afterwards we can do the back of the thigh. So main thing in medial side of the thigh is also called as the adductor compartment, because it is comprising mainly of the muscles which are also called as the adductor muscles. So these muscles, along with the muscles, we also have one nerve and we also have an artery. So these muscles are arranged in three different planes. So what are the muscles present in the superficial plane? So we have the pectineus, adductor longus. So you already know in the femoral triangle, so floor of the femoral triangle is formed by iliacus, psoas major, pectineus and adductor longus. So now here we are going to see the pectineus and adductor longus muscles. So here we have the pectineus. So this is the pectineus muscle fibers, and then we have the adductor longus. Okay. So these muscles are arranged in the superficial plane. Along with that we also have gracilis. So we can see the gracilis muscle here. Okay. So gracilis, then pectineus and adductor longus. Then in the intermediate plane we have the adductor brevis. So adductor brevis along with the obturator externus. Then in the deep plane we have the biggest muscle, that is the adductor magnus. So here you can see the adductor magnus. Okay. So these three muscles, that is, so first you can see this is the sartorius, okay, so which is also called as the talus muscle. So sartorius, then we have the gracilis and we have the semitendinosus. So semitendinosus is one muscle which you come across in the back of the thigh. So these three muscles, they arise from the different parts of the hip bone, and all the three muscles get inserted into the upper part of the medial aspect of the tibia. So we have sartorius, gracilis and semitendinosus. So these three muscles, we can see all the three are going into the, for insertion into the upper part of the medial aspect of the tibia. So these three muscles are also called as the gyropes. So you already read about the sartorius. Now we come to the gracilis. So gracilis muscle, one of the important muscle in the superficial plane present in the medial side of the thigh. Then we have the semitendinosus. This will be dealt in the back of the thigh. Okay. So now we already read about the pectineus and adductor longus muscle. So pectineus muscle, it has got a dual nerve supply. Okay. It is also called as a hybrid muscle. Then we have the adductor longus, and all these muscles, the pectineus, you know, the insertion of the pectineus is into the media aspera, from the line extending to the from the lesser trochanter up to the upper part of the linea aspera. Then we have the adductor longus. So even that gets inserted into the linea aspera. Then deep to the adductor longus, the other muscle, you can see the adductor brevis, and then we have the adductor magnus. Now adductor brevis is the most important key muscle of the region. So why I am telling you this is because it is related to the obturator nerve. So we have the obturator nerve anterior division and we have the posterior division, which come superficial to the adductor brevis. Anterior division comes and the posterior division comes deep to the adductor brevis. So here we can see this is the obturator nerve. The posterior division of the obturator nerve can be seen here. So this is the posterior division of the obturator nerve. The anterior division fibers cannot be seen here very clearly. I will be showing you in another specimen. So we can see the posterior division of the obturator nerve. Then we have the adductor magnus. So this adductor magnus muscle is a huge muscle which comes both in the adductor region as well as in the posterior compartment. It has got an adductor component and a hamstring component. So this adductor magnus muscle, it has got numerous osteoeponeurotic openings through which the perforating branches of the profunda femoris artery passes, and through the fifth osteoeponeurotic opening you have the femoral vessels passing through it. Okay, so this is all. So this is how you identify the muscles present in the medial side of the thigh. So I repeat, so this is the sartorius, then gracilis, the semitendinosus, then you see the adductor longus, adductor brevis, and deep to that you see the adductor magnus. And then we can see the posterior division of the obturator nerve can be seen here, posterior division. So this is a very big obturator nerve which is accompanied along with the obturator artery. So now this obturator nerve gives off branches, muscular branches, and it gives off cutaneous branches, articular branches, and vascular branches. So you have the anterior division which is coming in front of adductor brevis. So that gives off branches to the hip joint. Then it gives off branches to the medial side of the thigh. Then it gives off branches to the adductor longus, pectineus, and it gives branch to the adductor brevis as well. But if you see the posterior division, it gives off branches to the knee joint, then it gives off branches to adductor magnus, and sometimes to the adductor brevis if it is not supplied by the anterior division. So that is all about the obturator nerve which is coming from the lumbar plexus, the ventral rami of L2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that's all about the obturator nerve. So I just show it to you in another specimen. So this is all you have to. So if you can just show this, the obturator nerve can be seen here. Okay, yes. So we'll see the anterior division and posterior division in another specimen. So we can see here, so this is the adductor brevis, and this is the adductor magnus. So now we can see the anterior division here coming in front of the adductor brevis, and this is the posterior division of obturator nerve going behind the adductor brevis. Okay.